right, guys, it's 22 days in, Sunday shave. I'm gonna jump in the shower, do my pre-shave routine, then I'm gonna come out and get to it. What am I waiting for? You hear the shower cooking. So once a week, I use beard and scruff softener. This is a 30-second blend by Cremo. I'll also be doing a beard wash with my Duke Cannon's Citrus Hefeweizen beard wash. All right, guys, fresh out of the shower, so my skin is steamed up and it's ready to go. But let's just look. So this is a 22-day growth, 22-day beard. Again, no shave November, participating in that this year. Leave a link in the description box below so you can donate to the cause. Essentially, the movement is to get people talking about cancer, to get people in for early screenings, because early detection and early diagnosis is really, really super helpful with cancer. So anyway, guys, link below, no shave November. I'm loving the beard as it's coming in. And today I'm gonna do a nice cleanup, and I'm gonna use this beautiful gift from my boy, Jimmy G, the Rockwell 6C adjustable razor. Now, I was called out last week. I did my first shave with it and loved it. I'm using the Rockwell blades that come with it. But my boy, Co.3-in-1, Carl, I was using the medium setting, and he said, man up. You got to use the 5 or the 6. So let me show you. Here's a plate. And what makes this adjustable, guys, is you have these plates or decks, and each number, like this deck here or this plate, is a number 1. On the other side, it's a number 3. So 1 being your most mild setting, and the 6, if you look on the back here, I'm not sure you can see it, but there's a 6 there. Oh, there's a 6 there, trust me. That's the most aggressive setting. So last week, I'm an average guy. I shave 1 to 3 times a week. I mean, I followed the outline. There's a little guide that comes in, a little legend, and I'm right in the middle. Average skin, I don't irritate, don't get ingrown hairs, shave 1 to 3 times a week. Go with a 3 or a 4. No, Carl called me out and said, man up and do 6 or 5. I'm doing a 6 today. So we're going to be doing that. I'm also going to be showing you a product from one of my favorite companies. But this product helps you maintain and care for that beard. Now, you've probably seen this month a bunch of products to help soothe itch, nourish the beard, make it presentable and pretty. And you know, you've got lots of products. You've got a beard balm, a beard oil, a beard cream, a beard butter. This product here is a gentle product. It's a natural product. It's a product that does all of those things. So moisturizes, helps with the beard itch, nourishes the beard, keeps you looking pretty. 3-in-1 everyday beard care. So if you're on the go, if you don't want to have multiple products and you want one product to help you with all those things, this is the product to use. I want to thank Stan from the Pacific Shaving Company for sending me this. It's beautiful, guys. And I'm going to be showing you that today. I'm also going to be shaving with the Pacific Shaving Company's caffeinated shaving cream, because on Sunday morning, you need a little caffeine to get you going. I'm also testing out a new knot from my favorite brush company, the FM Brush Company. So nice hefty knot there. What am I waiting for? Let's get cracking. The Pacific Shaving Company products, most of them say a little bit goes a long way, concentrated. So you just need a little bit of this caffeinated shaving cream in this nice Shave Nation bowl sent to me by my man, Mike Vance. Just a little bit. Now this synthetic brush is beautiful. It's got a big knot on it, guys. And they asked me to give it a whirl, so I'm giving it a whirl. Synthetic hair does not need to be wet soaked, but I'm just gonna add a little bit of moisture, just a little bit warm water, and have a little bit of cream. And I'm gonna get in there. Oh, just a nice spearmint smell to that lather. Now look at that. So I've got it thick and pasty. I'm gonna add a little bit more water to the mix. And we'll make us some nice lather. Look at that, guys. In just that quick amount of time. Again, a little bit goes a long, long way. Oh, yeah. And you want to develop a nice, thick, yogurty type consistency. So I'm going to lather up, guys. Again, I'm growing the beard longer than what I used to do when I would try to grow a beard, is I would cut it off right at the jawline. So my buddy Mo told me, if you want a thickness, if you want a beard that's going to last, you have to extend that hairline down. 2 fingers up from the Adam's apple is really where you want to be. So let's get going. Let's put some of this lather on. Oh yeah. Again, very nice minty smell. I'm going to go with 2 passes today. And I'm going to be mindful of that line. Oh, nice. Nice razor, nice heft to it. And I'm on 6 from my boy, Carl. Taking it right up to that line, or you're feeling the resistance of that hair. All right, let's go with my second pass. And we'll add a little bit more of this foam. Oh, yeah, yeah. Very nice. Look at the head on this knot. And look at all the cream. I've got cream for another shave. Another few passes. Start at that line and work your way down. Can you hear the feedback there, guys? Oh, very nice. This Rockwell razor, just sweet. And I want to thank Jimmy G again for sending it. White chrome, lots of heft, beautiful knurling, so it's not slippy. And when you add that hot water, you get heat with every stroke. Adam's apple trick, a couple of ways you can work this area. If you have a pronounced Adam's apple like I do, you can slide the skin to the side and shave. But what I like to do, because I don't like to stretch my skin, that gives you more of a chance to cut the hairs shorter than the line or the skin line, which causes ingrown hairs. So I like to swallow hard and hold it, which flattens the area out, removes the Adam's apple from play, and then I'll just shave right down. So let's do that. Swallow hard, hold it. How'd that go, Carl? All right, I'll rinse that off, the excess lather off with cold water. Get ready for aftershave. And be gentle to your skin, guys. And I'm also gonna put a little dampness onto the beard. Now again, I've already been in the shower. I've done a beard wash. So I have a nice clean beard that's damp. And let's get ready for this 3-in-1 product. Again, the first time you grow a beard out, I know I've done this a million times. I'm gonna grow a beard. 6 days in, 7 days in, you've got the beard itch. Beard looks terrible, scraggly, dry. This product will help. And it's 3-in-1. Conditions, helps with the beard itch, helps with the look of your beard. Just a little dab, guys. And you just wanna smooth that in. I like to go against the grain and really get that into the whiskers. It has a lemony, citrusy, minty, fresh smell to it. Ah, yeah. I love my beard oil. I love my beard butter, scruff softeners. But if I'm on the go, guys, 3-in-1. And it comes from a great company that makes awesome products. Awesome people. All right, last maneuver here. I use this boar's hair brush and I work the product into the whiskers with this brush. Brush is from Cremo. I'm gonna leave links to all the products you've seen here today in the description box below. They'll be shipped to you from Amazon. And guys, that's a win for you and it's a win for me. It's a win-win. This beard brush also helps keep those hairs going in the right direction. Gives you a nice finished look. Oh yeah, look at that, guys. Now I'm neat, I'm clean, I can go to my event today and look presentable. But last, but certainly not least, guys, Pacific Shaving Company's Caffeinated Aftershave. Just a nice finishing touch. Again, just a tiny bit. Nice finishing touch with a spearminty smell and a jolt of caffeine. So you're smelling good, you're feeling good, you're protected in that area. Kind of cools the skin down and you are looking oh so fine. Look at that. 22 days in, guys. Just a few more days of November and then we're gonna have a decision to make. Do we keep the beard, keep going? Do I go with the goatee? Do I do the Papa Tuttle? Do I do the Juan Valdez? Or maybe the Tom Selleck? You let me know. What do you think? Now in the clubhouse, I've got lots of votes. People want me to shave it off. So if you're a beard man or a goatee man or a Juan Valdez, get your votes in. There's only one vote that really counts though, guys. And I think you guys know who gets that vote. Anyway, I want to thank you all for watching. I hope you have a great Sunday. Get out and do something fun while the weather is still good. And I'll see you guys next time, which will probably be like tomorrow or the next day. But in the meantime, you know what to do. Keep pushing play. I'll see you next time, guys. Carl called me out. There you go, bro. Number 6.